This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming your Google account and available storage, then sign into Drive. Google, Com, or the app. Once signed in, make sure the desktop backup and sync or drive for desktop is installed. This creates a local folder that links to the cloud. You should enable two-step verification now to protect files. After installation, open the Drive folder. You can already drag a file in to begin uploading and syncing across devices. Now you'll organize and upload. Create a clear folder structure, apply consistent names and colors so retrieval is fast. Use drag and drop or the new button to upload, or save into the synced desktop folder for automatic backup. Convert Office files to Google format when you need live collaboration. Leave large media as originals for quality. Once uploaded, right-click items to set offline access or adjust sharing. Make sure to check that sync completes before moving on. Finish by sharing and managing. You'll set permissions per file or folder, viewer, commenter, or editor, so collaborators get the right access. Use version history to restore prior edits and empty trash to free space or recover accidentally deleted files. If sync slows or fails, pause and resume Drive for desktop, check internet, or resolve permission conflicts by resharing. If you see upload errors, retry after clearing caches or reducing file name length. One common fix is signing out and back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.